So this video is for the music lovers. Do you have one amplifier, one receiver and one or two pair of speakers, and you have a good quality amplifier, better than your receiver, and you want to listen to high fidelity music, and also you have two pair of speakers and you don't want to change the wires behind them? Well, we got the solution for you. Check this video out. Guys, here we have a powerful switcher, a high fidelity switcher for two amplifiers and two set of speakers. It's quite interesting because I didn't saw switchers that support two pair of speakers. A lot of switchers support just one pair of speakers. This one is from NEOHIPO. This switcher NEOHIPO supports two speakers of 300 watts by 2 at 2 ohms and two speakers at 200 watts at 4 ohms. It's quite interesting, guys, and it looks very good. I hope it's a good quality because it looks so good. It's looking like an old Technics amplifier, you know. It will integrate easily onto your devices. Furthermore, the unboxing I think is not necessary because this is the switcher and we have a power cable of USB-C, which you got to feed it up with current, and you have remote control. So look, guys, I was impressed with the design. It has a microphone inside, and this one has a volumeter, left and right channel, to simulate the sound or an amplifier. It's looking good, and it has LEDs with 34 colors for those of you who are interested. For me, I'm interested in two receivers or two amplifiers and one pair of speakers. If you have two pair of speakers, I had two pair of speakers and I was looking for this solution. I didn't find anywhere this solution. I think it's very interesting because you can switch very easily from these buttons. It's very simple, or you can use the remote control to switch depending on your source, on your feed. The remote control is simple. You have power button, mic button. It's a small microphone to the back that receives the sound and will give you the volume meter pumping as you push the sound. Selecting the channel, the 1-2 channel, A/B modes, the amplifiers, and here you have the light source. I think the intensity of the light you can change it for the night not to disturb you. It's simple, fun, and I like in particular these volume meters. It's not small because it has these two. I think this company also produces smaller switchers, but I got to tell you once again, I didn't saw 2 in 2 out switchers. So these are the buttons. You have the amplifier selection A or B, or the speakers 1 or 2. You can I don't think you can both speakers you can put them, but we will test and we will see. You will listen to one set of speakers. It's always like this. Here is the swing range and sensitivity, color of the light. That is for these volume meters, the sensitivity of these volume meters. If you want my opinion, this looks very retro. I think it's aluminum or plastic or something like this. It's strong, well built. This is an important thing. It's not a cheap Chinese. Here we have the amplifiers connectors, the left, the right channel. We have great connectors. They are strong. You can put the wire here, and plus minus both amplifiers. On both amplifiers here you can put one set of speakers or two set of speakers. It's entirely your choice. And here here you have the DC port of 5 volts. Here you have the microphone, the mic which will work with the volumeters on the front. You can disable those volumeters with this mic. These are the two set of speakers. You can hear a relay inside that will switch. It has more than one relay. So I like these colors, and from this dial you can switch the colors of the volumeter, and you can integrate it very easily into your furniture if you have ambient lighting. Here you can put the swing range of these dials from this knob. Let me show you. Let's boost a little bit the volume, and here we have the sensitivity. So from this you can switch the lights from the remote control. You can turn off or on the microphone, and this is what I was looking for. So only from the remote control you can turn off for the night the volumeters, and you can also dim the light or kick it to maximum from these buttons. This is the interesting part. It couldn't be better that the manufacturer NEOHIPO made some kind of button for this. If you are losing the remote control, you have a problem. Here you can switch the colors of the volumeters. Here you can switch the amplifiers. Here the speakers, the set of the speakers. This is the MD button, is the button you want to press one time. Pointer swing mode selection. So the volumeter blinks once to enter the M mode, and if you are seeing, the volumeter will blink twice to enter the D mode. The IE button right here, it's a fixed light mode, and the GN button, it's the fixed light mode 2. So guys, now let's make some measurements. Now guys, we have a multimeter. If you are measuring 002001 we have, and if we are measuring directly we have the same result, which means we are not losing the signal. If a value of 010 or 050 or 0 or 100 will show here, this means when it passes this switcher it will lose signal. But if you are seeing, it doesn't lose any signal at all. This means they are good, very good quality relays inside. I opened up this product, and let's see guys, just a little bit here, what are the components and what electronics has inside. And I can see the 4 relays are electronically controlled by this main board. We have 2 sets of transformers here, some capacitors, some resistance here. We have some electronics of this product. I hope it will not influence the sound. So guys, this is the switcher for your speakers, for your 2 sets of speakers, and let's say you have 2 amps or 1 amp and 1 receiver. You can switch, and it's a good quality product material. It will save you a lot of pain and a lot of stress switching your wires from one unit to other. Having this product, you can switch by pressing one button and that's it, or using the remote control. So you music lovers who have multiple set of speakers and multiple set of amplifiers, receivers, I recommend you this product. I'm repeating myself, I didn't saw a product, a switcher that has 2 sets of speakers. I only saw these switchers having 1 amp and 1 receiver, so 2 input channels and 1 output channel. So this one has 2 input channels and 2 output channels. Thank you for watching guys, have a great day, see you, bye.